Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with your words, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Painting. Pa-a-nt-ing. You have a go? Well done. Good job. Let's have a go all together one more time. Painting. Pa-a-nt-ing. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Cat's Painting. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Cat's Painting. In this story is Cat, Knock and Miss Jones. Cat was painting. She had just painted a tree. "Can I help finish it?" Knock said, jumping from the pot. "You might spoil it," said Cat. "No, I will not," he said. Knock pointed at the paintbrush. Power shot from his hands. The brush stood up. It started to zigzag across the painting. "Stop it, Knock," said Cat, grabbing the brush. Knock went into the red paint. Cat shrank and ran after him. Knock ran across the painting. He left a trail of footprints. Then Knock slid in the wet paint. He hit the paint pots and they fell. "Look at this mess," Cat said. "I need to clear up." Knock felt bad. "Look at this painting, Miss Jones," said Miss Jones. "It's so good." "See," said Knock with a grin. "I did help." Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, don't forget you can listen to me read it again by rewinding the video, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they will read it to you. Once you have finished your book, you can move on to your word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!